So here we are at the dashboard for buildaperfectgift.com. And since we have reconfigured the site, the shipping methods have changed. So instead of a delivery fee, now we're using a standard flat rate shipping method. So what I want to do is I'm going to take you through setting up the shipping classes, because that's how you actually set and kind of modify the shipping for each item here in the system. Or each type of product here in the system. So the first thing we need to do is we actually need to define a shipping class. And we do that by coming over here under Products to Shipping Classes, and that'll take us into a really familiar interface here. This is a category entry interface is all it is for entering categories. And the shipping class is a type of shipping category, really is what it is. So, right here you see we've got baskets, clothes, coins, jewelry, junk lot, and slot cars. There's only one thing you have to enter here, and that's actually the name. The slug will be automatically created. The description is only for your reference. It's not going to be shown on the front anywhere. You can define the slug if you want to. It usually just defaults to, as you can see, if it's 2 words, it gets a dash between it. This is just the machine-readable name of the shipping class is all it is. But you can define that if you want to, but it does need to be in all lowercase and no spaces, which means that if you do have a space, just put a slash in between there. If you want it to be a sub-item, for instance, if I wanted like a sub-item of clothes right here, I could actually come up here and choose that I wanted a sub-item of clothes, and I could just, let's go ahead and name this shoes. Come down here and click Add New Shipping Class. And then that will go ahead and add that shipping class right underneath clothes, and it'll give you a little line right there letting you know that that is a sub-item of clothes is what that is. That is a subclass of that. So, once again, just for your reference is what it is, just to let you know that that's a subclass of that. It doesn't do anything specific in the functionality at all. So if you want to delete an item, you can come over here right underneath it, and you could delete that class. Be aware if it's assigned to any products, it'll get unassigned when you delete that class. You can edit the class by going into it. When you go into the edit screen, simple edit screen just lets you edit the name, whether it's a parent, the description, everything that you entered in out here. And if you want to delete multiples, you can select multiples like that and come up here. I don't want to delete these, but if I did, I could select those, come up there, hit delete, and apply. And then that will go ahead and get rid of that for you. And you can, like I said, you can delete multiple ones at one time. So I'm going to go ahead and create a test class right here. Go ahead and add that new shipping class in there. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go and define this particular test class is what we're going to go do. So that's under WooCommerce in settings. And now you'll see when we come over here to shipping that we are now using standard shipping and the method is flat rate. So let's come up here to flat rate on this, and now we see, now here is where we can edit our shipping classes. So now we don't see test class up here because we need to add it. We need to go ahead and add a cost for test class is what we need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and come over here, select test class, and then I'm going to say test class, that is a $3 shipping fee. Now that's going to charge $3 per item. Now I could also charge a handling fee, and I could say that's going to be $1 per item. So you can separate shipping and handling. Once you've done this and you've defined this now, you can come over here and click Save Changes. And now that will save those changes now. And when anybody purchases an item that has this shipping class associated with it, they'll get charged a $3 fee for shipping and a $1 fee for handling. So if you don't want this in there anymore, all you have to do is check that and then click Delete Selected Costs. It'll ask you to confirm, and then that'll get rid of that, and you need to click Save Changes. So that's how you add and delete those in there, and right after you create the shipping class under products, you need to come in and define a cost for that shipping class. And like I said, you can define both shipping and handling fees for that. Now, if an item is not charged, if it does not have a shipping class associated with it so that it charges a specific amount for shipping, it's going to come up here and it's going to charge the cost per order. Shipping is what it's going to do. This overrides that cost per order. Now, if they order items that are both that have shipping classes associated and don't have shipping classes associated, they're charged both. just to let you know. They will be charged this for the entire order, and they will be charged extra for each item. So that is another way that you can go in there and you can change things. For instance, you could say, okay, we're going to give them a cost per order, of $10 on a bunch of items, but then when they order certain items, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to charge a handling fee. Okay, but what if they ordered just one of those items? Then that wouldn't get charged. If they didn't order another item right here, then that wouldn't get charged, right? So you could come down here, you can actually come down here to this, and you can actually define right here a minimum handling fee. So you can say if this isn't getting charged, and they ordered just one item from baskets, is all they did, and but I want a minimum handling fee of 15. I want a minimum of 15 to come in. Let's say this was over here in the handling fee. You can actually go ahead and define that down there and go even if they order just one item and the handling fee is less than this, then as a minimum charge them this amount right here when they order an item that has that shipping class associated with it. I hope that was, I hope you understood that. I apologize if I was a little convoluted there. So, right here, this is a method of changing the name of the shipping method. It's just for your reference is all it is. It's still a flat rate shipping method is what it is. So, anyway, now that we have these shipping classes created, now we would need to associate them with a product. So let's go to products, take a look at those products, and if we wanted to add a shipping class to a product, I'm going to show you where we add that. I'm going to show you where that we add that. So I apologize, the system's running a little slow here. I'm going to go ahead and pause until it updates. Okay, so here we are at the products page. And what I've done is I've opened this product here up in a new tab. And I want to come down here to our product data. And underneath shipping, I'm going to click on shipping. And you're going to see right here, shipping class. Shipping classes are used by certain shipping methods to group similar products. And that's exactly what they're for. So here, as you see, we've associated the shipping class of basket with this product. So now, whenever anybody orders this particular product, they'll get charged the amount of shipping and handling that's been specified for this particular shipping class. So you can go in and change that at any time. Very, very simple to do. So in whatever type of products that you have, you can divide these products into different groupings and then come in here and each give them all a different shipping or handling fee, and then come in here and define that by just selecting it right there and clicking update and updating your product with that particular class. So it's very, very easy to change the shipping class on a product. Simple as that. So if you have any further questions about shipping classes or any other portion of the WooCommerce system, just go ahead and let us know.